gold for this one. Now it looks well, very nice. It matches with the color. So when you're trying to make... Hello guys, and welcome to A Plus More. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a physical business card using Canva. Now you may be wondering, what can you do? Well, don't worry, we will get there. But in the meantime, let's design one first. Alright, so first of all, in Canva, nothing is impossible. I'm just gonna tell that right there and then that you can do anything with Canva. And they are always ready with another template to get your creative moments going. And we're trying to make a business card here, so we just need to search up business card here on what will you design today. And here we have it. We have 2 templates already, or the resolution that we need for our business card. So for this time, we're gonna be going and use the landscape one. So once we get here, we actually will see all of these templates that we can use and just change or modify. So a lot of these has the crown icon here, which means this is only usable for Canva Pros. Worry not, we can also use a lot of these which are free. For example, this one here, this simple corporate business card is for free and you can use it. And we can use it. But let's say I'm gonna go ahead and create a blank business card from scratch. And once you actually choose one of the templates here, or you go and start a business card template, or like create a blank business card from this page, you will get the feature that no other designs will get, which is to print with Canva over here. So it will automatically appear as a business card here. So we'll get that later on in the video. But for now, let's start designing. So let's say I'm a lawyer and I'm gonna pretend and I'm gonna show that this is a business card for my specific firm. So I'm gonna choose a color that I want for this page. I'm gonna go with like a navy blue or just dark blue. Let's go here on the color and let's go with something darker. For example, this one. This already looks nice. So I'm just gonna add an extra page here for the back page. So the front page is here. We will have our name, our address, our position, and our email, and everything else that is gonna help us with giving our information to people or like potential customers. Like for example, this one here, what they have here. We're just gonna copy what they have here. So for the back page, this is where you put like the logo of your company or the firm that you work in. So let's work first on the front page. So something that I would do first is to put the logo first on the left side, as they usually do here on the... They actually don't do here, but for me, I'm gonna do it. Let's say I'm gonna go and search up law. Let's go graphics and let's choose something that is nice. For example, this one. This may look just blank and black right now, but we can change that. I'm gonna go with something like gold for this one. Now it looks well, very nice. It matches with the color. So when you're trying to make a business card or just anything in particular, like when you're trying to design, it would be very nice if you would match the color with the colors together, you know, to create a balance, so that it would be really nice to the eyes. So let's say we have that, and now let's put our name here. Let's put our name. Let's say my name is Dan Garcia. I don't know if there's someone with a name such as that, but let's say that's there. And then let's put it here on the top because it's always... And then let's make sure that the lettering is quite big too, so that people can see. Since we are a lawyer, let's put there attorney. Make sure that every letter is the same size. So we have that now there. And now let's add maybe a line in between this and the information below it. Okay, now that we have that there, let's put here the name of our firm. Let's say Justice Firm. That sounds very corny, but that's that. That's the name of our firm, and then put the name of the firm right below the logo. So that's the name of our firm there. And then let's line it up. And after that, let's put here our number. Even though it's really fine already, we just set it like this. So for the next page, let's say for the back page, we can just copy this one here. And there we have it. We have the front page, the back page, and the front part of the business card. So we have created our very own business card from scratch, but you can always go ahead and use the templates that they have here. And once we have done creating it, we have two options. We can either print this with Canva with their help, which will cost a bit of money. So when we go here and print with Canva, it will show us this one, which is business cards. As I also mentioned earlier on, here we have here a preview of what our business card looks like. So here we can see that they will deliver it on our doorstep, and you can choose which pages to print. So basically, since we only created 2 pages, so they already have, we don't really need to choose any of these now. So this is the front part. So when people flip it, they will see this as the one that they will see first, and then this is the back part. So it looks very simple. And if you want, you can always add like some texture to the paper or what. But yeah, you have the choice to choose what paper type you want. You have standard paper, which will lessen the cost, and then whatever finish you want with this, gloss, matte, or uncoated, up to you. And then how many business cards you want, and then this is the subtotal. But with you, if you want, you can also just share and then download this and then save it as PDF print, and then you can print it at your nearby printing shop for much cheaper, or buy your own, and then you can just like cut it on your own, and then you can create your own business card if you can do that, so that you don't need to pay for any delivery fees or whatnot. But that is it. That is how you can create a simple business card with Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.